Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. How are you all? Children, your today's topic is after, before, and between. First of all, take out your book 1, Next Thoughts. And please open your page number 6. Here you mention the date 20 of July 2020 and here you mention the classwork. So children, here we are going to start recapitulation of after, before, and between. Children, as you know, after means बाद में, before means पहले, and between means बीच में. Children, here you can see some pictures of letters. With the help of these pictures, I will tell you about after, before and between in alphabet. So let's start. Okay, tell me which letter is this? Tell me fast. Yes, this is small a. And what comes after small a? स्मॉल ए के बाद क्या आता है? बी. What comes after small a? Small b. And what comes after b? What comes after b? Small c. What comes after b? Small c. Now tell me what comes before small b. Now tell me what comes before small b. Small b के पहले क्या आता है? Tell me fast. Very good. Small a. Tell me again what comes between small a and small c. Tell me fast. Read the alphabet in sequence. Yes, you are right. Small b. Oh, small b comes in between small a and small c. Okay, children? Now tell me which letter comes after G. Yes, which letter comes after G? Tell me fast. Very good. H. And which letter comes before H? Tell me fast. Yes. G. Which letter comes before H? G. And tell me which letter comes after H? Which letter comes after H? Tell me fast. Very good. I. Which letter comes after H? I. And tell me fast. Which letter comes between G and I? Which letter comes between G and I? Give me the answer. Fast. Any guesses? Yes, you are right. Which letter comes between G and I? Letter H. H comes between G and I. Okay, children, give me the answer once again. Which letter comes after M? Which letter comes after M? Tell me fast. Very good. N. Which letter comes after M? Letter N. Tell me which letter comes after N? Which letter comes after N? Tell me fast. Very good. O. Which letter comes after N? O. And now tell me which letter comes before N? Tell me. What comes before N? Yes. Letter M. And your last question is, what comes between M and O? What comes between M and O? M and O के बीच में कौन सा लेटर आता है? Which letter comes between M and O? Give me the answer. Any guesses? Yes, you are right. Letter N. So children, I hope you understood about after, before, between letters in alphabet. Here is your exercise. Write the letters that come after the given letters. So, what comes after A? What comes after A? Yes, B. So, here you write B. Like this, you complete all these remaining letters. And the next one is write the letters that come before the given letters. Okay? So, what comes before F? What comes before F? Tell me fast. E. So, here you write E. So, like this, you complete all these remaining letters. And the last one is write the letters that come between the given letters. So, tell me what comes between D and F. What comes between D and F? Yes, letter E. So, like this, you complete all these remaining letters. Okay, children? I hope you understood. So, please complete your exercise. And your writing should be neat and clean. So, goodbye, children. Have a nice day.